Hello everyone, I once again welcome you all to my YouTube channel English Panisa. In this video, I am going to discuss Degree Semester 1 English sample paper. This is a sample paper. You might not get the same question, but the method will be same, which I am going to show you here. So in this video, I am going to show you how to solve your English paper and how you can get grade O. So let's start solving this paper. So as you people know that I have already uploaded all the videos, prose and poems, and also all the textbook exercises which you have in your semester 1 English book. And also I have uploaded last year paper key and also the paper pattern. You can go through the playlist, you will get all the videos. As you people know that in your English paper you are having two bits, means two parts, part A and part B. So under part A you will get 8 question. Out of those 8 question you're supposed to do 5 question, that each question carry 4 marks, because here under first question you are having 4 questions. So if you do one question you will get one mark, that will be equals to 4 marks. So you have to do 5 bits out of 8 bits. So if you do 8 bits, so if you do 5 bits you'll get 20 marks. And under part B you would get internal choice. With there you have to write the summaries. At the last of this video I will show you how you have to write your summaries. So now let's start solving this part A, and time allocated is 3 years as you know. So here under first bit answer as directed, that means they would direct you under the bracket what you have to do. So here the first question is genetic. Identify the root year. So what you have to do, simply you have to write the word in your answer booklet and then you have to underline the root word. So the root word of this word is gen, and down you have to write the root word. Now next one is unbelievable. Now here identify the prefix. Prefixes are nothing but which come before the root word. Now is root word. Root word is nothing but the word which can stand independently. It doesn't depend on another word to complete its meaning. It gives its own meaning independently. That's called the root word. Now here un is prefix because independently this un cannot give us meaning, so it's coming before the root word, that's why it's a prefix. And this believe is a root word and this able is a suffix. So here you have to write this word, or else you can write directly un and equals to prefix and this number as well. Next one, C, she dash her strength, prefix plus estimated. Now here they have given estimated and they're asking you to write the prefix, the suitable prefix to it. So you have to write underestimate. Under is a prefix, estimate. She underestimate her strength. Next one, our team won the hockey. Champion plus suffix. After champion you have to write the suitable suffix. So what it can be? It could be ship, championship. So if you write in this way, you will get all 4 marks. Now let's move to the second bit. Here again, you will get answer as director. They'll direct you in the bracket what you have to do. Camera I wanted for so long is finally dash. Fill in, fill in with the pronoun. Now here my, we cannot write my because I have already explained in my video. You can watch the videos of pronoun. If you are writing my, it is an adjective, you need to mention any noun here, but here we need a pronoun. So it's finally mine. Here you have to show the possessive pronoun. Next one, whom can I trust if not dash? She, her. So here you have to choose the correct pronoun. Now here is the conditional types of sentence. Whom can I trust if not her? She is not proper, so you have to use her. Next one, chocolate. Here what you have to do, if you get the uncountable noun, you have to make it countable. So how can we make uncountable noun countable? We need to add some phrases before it, some words, so that it we can make it countable. So suppose if you get juice, so what you have to do, juice is uncountable noun. So you have to write a glass of juice or a bottle of juice to make it countable. In the same way chocolate we have. So how can we make it countable? We can write a bar of chocolate or a piece of chocolate. So in this way we can make this uncountable noun countable. You need to add some words before this. Next one, Milky Way. Identify the type of noun. This video also I have uploaded. You can go through the playlist. You will get those all the videos. There I have explained everything. So Milky Way is a proper noun. There I have explained what are proper noun, common noun, collective noun and all. So it is a proper noun Milky Way. Simply you have to write Milky Way in your answer booklet equals to proper noun. Now let's see the third bit. Again answer as directed. Again they will guide you what you have to do. She wanted to wear her favorite outfit. Already answer is here. So they will give you here blank and they'll ask you to choose the correct homophones. Now homophones, phone means sound. So sound should be same but the meaning and the spelling will be different. So you have to choose the word based on the sentence. She wanted to dash her favorite outfit. Outfit means is a dress. So what she want to do? Wear or wear. Wear is nothing but it's like a storeroom. And this wear is means wearing something. So this where you have to use. Next one, our dash is a lady of dash principal. Principal or principal. Here again you have to choose the correct homophone. Our principal means this principal, P-A-L. Our principal is a lady of dash principles means rules this principle. Second you have to write this, first you have to write this. Next one, she wrote a new dash, the children went to dash in the park. Now here you have to write a single words which can be suitable in both the blanks. So you can get this question as well. So here you have to think one word that can be suitable in both the blanks. So what can we choose here? She wrote a dash, the children went to where? If you are unable to write the first dash, you have to go to the next one. You will get answer. The children do in the park, they play. So here, play we are writing here. So automatically we'll get the answer to write here as well. Play. She wrote a new play. Next one. She asked me to close the window. Now here, what is the meaning of this close? Very near or to shut? Find the correct meaning of the homograph. First you have to see the homograph. This is close is a homograph. Now homograph is nothing but graph means written. So the word spelling will be same but the printing will different. So she asked me to close the window. Now what is the meaning of this close? Close the window means shut the window. So you have to choose this homograph. Next one, fourth bit again answer as directed. She doesn't own dash, fill in the blanks. Now here we are talking about a particular car or general car. Here we are talking about a normal car. That's why we are using article A here. If we were talking about a specific brand of the car, then we need to add the, because that was a particular car like Lamborghini and all. But here we are talking about a general car. That's why we are writing A. Next one, our library has 3 copies of dash Mahabharata. Here again you have to fill the blank with an suitable article. Now Mahabharata is the holy book of Hindus. So here holy books, whatever you get in your exam, there you have to write article the with the holy books like Mahabharata, Quran, Bible and all. So here you have to write the. Next one. The man was dashed than his father. Now, this is a degree of comparison. These videos also I have uploaded. You can go through one. Second degree. Whenever you get than in your question, that means you have to add a second degree. Like ER, you have to add there like smaller and all. So the man was dash than his father. Noble is there. It is a simple positive degree. You have to change this to comparative degree. So noble is already there means E is already here. So simply we have to write R here. It become nobler. The man was nobler than his father. Means we are comparing these two things. So the man is nobler than his father. Means more noble. Next one, I have called dash several or every. Pick up the correct adjective. So here, which is suitable, several or every? So several means many times or every means every time. So here, this only we have to choose several. I have called several times. Next one, the fifth bit. Now next, honest apology, sincere apology. Here you have to choose the correct collocation. Now what are collocation? Collocations are nothing but some words fit together and some don't. You can watch the video. I have uploaded this video as well, textbook exercises and also collocation video. You can go through the playlist. So here we have to choose the words which fit together. Like for example, if I want to say about tea, so what collocation you will choose for this? Strong tea or powerful tea? What we say? We say strong tea, not powerful tea. So some word fit together, but some word don't fit together. That only we have to identify. So correct collocation we have to choose. Honest apology, this one word and this is the second one. Sincere apology, again this one word and this is second one. So you have to see whether these two words are matching with each other, suitable to each other or not. So honest apology, we don't say honest apology, that means true apology, but here sincere apology, which someone feel and apologize. So that's why we need to use this one, sincere apology. Next one, we got there just dash. They were about to close the gates. Now here you have to choose the correct collocation again. In time, about time. These all words also I have explained in that exercises. You can go through that. So about time is nothing but it shows on time, means it was about to close the door. Means next one, Fatima said that Dash and her sister worked together. Fill in the blanks with a suitable pronoun. So here Fatima said that it's already sentence, one sentence is completed. Now you need to start a second sentence. So here we need to add what is the structure of sentence. That just the structure of sentence is subject plus verb plus object. So here you can say Fatima, which is a subject, said is a verb, that is a object because it is a pronoun. Now this sentence is completed. Again we need to start new sentence. So here you need to add she, because we cannot use again and again noun. So to avoid noun we need to use pronoun. She and her sister work together. This her is not object, it is a possessive adjective which showing about her sister. So she is a correct one. Next one, Rohan wants to do it dash, fill in the blanks with a suitable pronoun. Now here you have to write a reflexive pronoun, like I want to do it by myself, I cook this by myself. So here first you need to write a subject, then this subject will reflect on this reflexive pronoun. So Rohan means if we change it into pronoun, how what it will become? So Rohan will become he. So this he will change to himself. Rohan wants to do it by himself. No need to write by. Rohan wants to do it himself. So here you have to write himself because we are talking about the single person Rohan. If here two persons were there, then we could write they want to do themselves, VES, themselves. If a girl was there, then she wants to do it herself. I want to do myself. I want to do it myself. This videos also I have uploaded. Now let's see the next one. You are attempting this bit, so you need to answer all these four questions. You will get 4 marks. But here 6th bit, 7th bit and 8th bit, if you are answering this bit, for each bit you will get 4 marks. This 4 and this 4. But these answers should be meaningful and you need to write full page, one page. Now here elaborate on the creative thinking techniques is there. You can go through your textbook. There is a creative thinking is written. You can memorize those or you can write in your own words. Just understand what is creative thinking is. The next one, write about the importance of interpersonal skills. Here also you have to write about the interpersonal skills. Like if you are talking with anyone, there you have to show some skills. Like if you are saying hi and hello to someone, you have to show warm, open and friendly expression with a smile on your face. Page number 39. Now next one is write a dialogue between Aisha and Karan asking for and giving opinion to buy a gift for their mother. Now it's easy, you can write. So here for each conversation, means for each person you need to write 6 or 7 dialogue. So here Aisha and Karan, that all together you should write 14 or 15 dialogues. So how you have to write the dialogue? First you have to start with the greetings. Then you have to start your dialogues. You cannot use the same repetitive lines here, but you can repeat the names. Here you have to write Aisha, then you have to put the colon, then the dialogue of Aisha. Then next down Karan, then you have to put colon, then the dialogue of Karan. In this way you can write. And have to write greetings. At the last you have to give farewell like thank you and all. This is all about part A. Now let's move to part B. So now let's see part B, how you have to attempt this bit. What are the things you should keep in your mind while answering this bit, means this section? So here I will show you the method how you have to write your summaries. So you have to write in that way only if you want to get 15 marks, because here you have internal choice. So here you are having how many question? 8 question. So you need to write 4 questions. So for each question you will get 15 marks. If you write 4 question you would get 60 marks altogether. So if you want 15 marks for each question, then you have to write in the way which I am going to share here. So here let's see, first of all, the first question. Do you think that the poet has realistically depicted the Indian market? So here by reading this question you would understand the question is from which summary or which lesson, poem or prose. So whatever question you get, it doesn't matter, but you have to write the same summary, one summary only, whatever question you get, but related to that lesson only. Means suppose this question is from Bazars of Hyderabad, so you have to, whatever question you get from Bazars of Hyderabad, you have to write one summary only. Now the question is how you can write. So what you have to do, you have to write first about the author. So you have to write each summary 4 points. First about the author, means about Sarojini Naidu. Then next one you have to write Sarojini Naidu. So this poem, this is the poem Bazaars of Hyderabad. So second point is you have to write about the poem, means what is the poem about. Then next you have to write, the third point is summary. So you have to give separate headings for this. About the author, if poem you are writing about the poet, then about the poem, then summary, the third point is summary. Then after that, fourth point, you have to write the conclusion. You have to give your own conclusion. Now, how many lines you have to write? About the poet or about the author, you have to write 4 or 5 lines. That's enough. And here also 4 or 5 lines. But for summary, you need to write 2 pages full. 2 pages means one paper. And here for conclusion, you have to write half page. Altogether, you should write 4 pages. That means 2 papers, full 2 papers if you want 15 marks. Three and a half also you can write. So in summary, you have to write starting to the end. Means if poem you are writing, you have to include all the stanzas. No need to cram the summaries. You need just you go through the summary, understand that, and convert that summary to in your own words. You have to write in your own words. No need to cram and copy the summaries. And here again, you now here you will get choice. Either you can write poem or prose. You will get choice from the same unit. Suppose these 2 questions are from the first unit, and these 2 questions from second unit, and these 2 questions from third unit, and these 2 questions are from fourth unit. So you'll get internal choice. So from each unit you should learn one summary. Next one, describe the narrator's meeting with a girl in the prose. The eyes are not here. So again you have to follow this pattern which I am showing here. Next one, according to the poem, if, what are the qualities one should possess to become a perfect man? So if is a poem where father has given a bundle of suggestion to his son to become a successful man. So first you have to write about the author, then you have to write about the lesson. There a father has given a bundle of suggestion to his son to become a successful man. After that you have to write the summary. In the summary you have to include all the stanzas, but you should not mention stanza 1, stanza 2, stanza 3. Directly you have to write in the form of para summary. Then at the last you have to give conclusion. Conclusion means what poet wanted to say in this poem and what you have understood by reading this poem. Next one, or else you can write this one, draw a character sketch of the polite conductor in Gardner's essay. So here you can see a conductor where we have learned this conductor and Gardner's essay. Gardiner essay we have learned in on saying please. So you have to write the summary on saying please. So if you get this type of a particular question like draw a character sketch of a polite conductor, so here instead of writing the second part about the lesson, you have to write this answer. in half page, means about the characteristic. If you get this particular question, characteristic of so and so, so you have to write, instead of about the lesson, you have to write here this answer in a half page. Then in summary you have to explain whole story, and at the last you have to give your conclusion. Or next one, next bit, this 11th bit, comment on the theme of the poem Ulysses. Now here same answer, first about the author, about the lesson, summary and conclusion. Next one, who was Hubert Leroy? Describe him and his personality. Now this Hubert Leroy, he is from Seeing People Off. It is a prose. So here you have to again, what we have done here. First you have to write about the author, Max B. Bond. Then in the lesson, about the lesson, instead of about the lesson you have to write about Hubert Leroy. Then summary, all you have to describe starting to the end. Then you have to give your own conclusion. Next one, what is the poet's main cause of regret in the poem on his having arrived at the age of 23, and how does the poet come in the term with it? So this is John Milton's poetry, where he was means freshly graduated from Cambridge University. So he was very worried about his life. So there he has written his own life, real life experience through this poem. So you have to write whole summary in this form. Next one, or else you can write comment on the Gandhi's view in Shyness My Shield. This all videos I have explained. You can go through the playlist. You will get all the videos. So here also this sign is my shield. It is a essay. It is extracted from Gandhi's own autobiography. So here in this particular essay he has explained where he was in England. So here through this essay he has explained his own fear that whenever he wanted to speak he feel his tongue tired, means he was unable to speak in front of people. That only he has explained. And at the last he said that his shyness was his buckler, means a protector. His shyness protect him. That means he did not say a single word without thinking, means he did not say any word to disheart people. So this is all about your paper pattern, how you will get and how you have to solve this. Once go through the playlist, you will get all the videos. And one important thing, first you need to do part B. Don't go to the part A. First solve part B and then do part A. And for part A directly you can write answer, no need to copy questions. And here also just you need to write this bit number, and A you're writing or B, what you're writing, that also compulsory. You have to write this also. No need to copy questions here. So do well in your exam and best of luck for your exams. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for next semester videos.